Welcome to the Explainer. So let's just jump right in, because today we're dissecting a totally game-changing workflow tool for creators and researchers, the YouTube Title Extractor by SEO Software AI. If you've ever spent literally hours trying to figure out what makes a top-performing video tick, well, you know the devil is in the details, right? And this tool is built to capture every single one of those details flawlessly.
I mean, think about this for a second. What's the absolute hardest part of YouTube research? It's the tedium, isn't it? Manually tracking competitor data. You're constantly tabbing back and forth, squinting at your screen with like 50 tabs open, trying desperately to copy exactly what another creator did without making a typo. It's a massive workflow killer.
And look, we can't just skip this step. A video's title carries a massive amount of weight in YouTube's search and recommendation algorithms. It's basically your most critical piece of metadata. Studying exactly how successful videos phrase their titles is, without a doubt, one of the fastest ways to figure out what actually gets clicked in your niche. So your research, it absolutely has to be spot on.
Which brings us to the core problem and the solution. On one hand, you've got manual transcription. It's super tedious, and honestly, it's just so prone to tiny errors. Miss one capital letter or an emoji, and your whole research accuracy is thrown off. But contrast that with tool extraction. You're looking at perfect accuracy, a single click, and it is instantly done. Boom. Human error is completely out of the equation.
Section 1. Extracting with perfect accuracy. Just take a look at the sheer simplicity of this. SEO Software AI built a completely clean, distraction-free environment here. No clutter whatsoever, just a super simple input box for your link, and right below that, the extracted video title pops up in a clean text box ready to go. Because it pulls data directly from YouTube's own backend, there's no weird middleman messing up your results.
The whole workflow is literally just 3 steps. Step 1, paste any YouTube link into the search bar. Step 2, the tool instantly grabs the exact, current title straight from YouTube's live data. And step 3, hit that copy button. Just one click, and the exact text is sitting right there on your clipboard. It's absolutely effortless.
But, it's really not just about saving a few seconds of typing. The magic here is what it actually captures. This tool guarantees perfect accuracy. It grabs the exact punctuation, which we know is super strategic. It catches that specific intentional capitalization, like when a creator capitalizes just one power word to make it pop. And yeah, it perfectly grabs every single emoji. You are getting the exact data the algorithm sees.
Section 2. Smart Creator Use Cases. So how do people actually use this? Well, this exact tool is how smart researchers rapidly build out these massive reference lists of successful titles. When you're pulling perfectly accurate data, you can actually study the real patterns, the phrasing, the optimal title length, and the structural architecture your competitors are using to win those clicks.
Plus, it's a total lifesaver for archiving and repurposing. Imagine you've got a library of, say, hundreds of your own videos, and you want to repurpose them for a totally different platform. You can use this to pull your exact original titles and catalog all that data safely into a spreadsheet. No more retyping from memory, and definitely no more guessing what on earth you named a video 3 years ago.
Section 3. Pattern Research Pro Tips.
Okay, let's do a quick mini masterclass on what you should actually be looking for once you have this pristine data. When you paste these titles into your spreadsheet, do not just look at the keywords. You've got to actively hunt for repeating structural patterns. Are the top videos in your niche always using numbers? Are they throwing extra context into brackets? Are they using provocative questions? Or maybe leaning super hard into emotional language? Those structural clues, that's the secret sauce right there. And here's a massive pro tip for you. When you're doing this pattern research, you absolutely must pull titles from several different creators in your niche. Seriously, don't just study one mega channel. Why? Because that one creator might just have a really quirky style that relies entirely on their unique personality. And honestly, that style might not work at all for a new creator in that same space. So extract widely to find the true underlying niche patterns.
Section 4. Essential Tool Limitations. Let's speed through some technical stuff.
Okay, first edge case. A really common question we get is, will this tool show me the title if a video has actually been deleted or taken down?
The answer there is just a simple no. Because the tool queries live, currently published data straight from YouTube, deleted or fully private videos just won't return a result. Think of it as a live data extractor, not some historical web archive.
Here's another really fascinating one, especially for our international viewers. Does this tool extract localized titles? Like, what if a video has multiple language versions set up by the creator?
So it actually retrieves the primary raw default title that was originally set by the uploader. It totally bypasses the automatic translation features that YouTube applies on the viewer's end. And honestly, this is actually a huge benefit. It ensures you're seeing the true original title the creator actually optimized, rather than some weird machine-translated approximation.
Finally, people often wonder about the privacy side of things. They'll ask, hey, can I use this to extract titles for videos that aren't even mine?
Absolutely, yes. Video titles are completely public information. They're visible to any viewer on the platform, right? So extracting a title for research or reference or competitive tracking from any public video is not restricted whatsoever. It is a totally safe, standard, and highly recommended practice for any serious digital marketer.
And this tool is really just one small piece of a much larger ecosystem. SEO Software AI provides an entire suite of free, powerful webmaster tools, everything from hashtag extractors to Google index checkers, the whole shebang. There is a massive community backing this up, with over 68,000 subscribers already using the platform to optimize smarter and rank higher. And the best part, no sign-up required.
So I want to leave you with a final thought to take away from this explainer today. Take a hard look at your current workflow. Are you just guessing with your titles, kind of blindly hoping they hit the mark? Or are you actively extracting, studying, and replicating the exact data-backed patterns of what already works? The tool's right there, it's instant, and it is completely free. I think it's time to stop guessing and start extracting.